Coming up on this edition of Disney with Washington, Disney World's 50th merchandise goes live and sells out in minutes. D23 Gold member preview of Remy's Ratatouille adventure. Magic Kingdom Vice President comments on the progress of Splash Mountain. Dumbo and Timothy joins the Disney Fat 50. 4 pioneers receive Main Street window dedication. Sebastian and Flounder statue coming to Disney's Hollywood Studios. Limited Disney Magic Key holder pin revealed. Now let's play the intro. How's it going, guys? It's me, Steve. Here's the latest in Disney news. Let's get into it. It's not common for the Walt Disney Company to place purchasing limits on popular pieces of merchandise, such as limited edition products. Unsurprisingly, these limits are also in place for Walt Disney World Resort's 50th anniversary merchandise. Online on shopdisney.com, products are limited to 10 per guest, which is typical for the website. You can see the purchasing limit listed on the $74.99 Walt Disney World 50th Anniversary Spare Jersey. Even with these limits in place, many 50th anniversary items sold out online in mere minutes after they launch. The navy blue Spare Jersey, for example, is now sold out in all sizes. Via the official Walt Disney World Resort Guest Services phone line, Disney was able to confirm with me that the Disney purchasing limit for 50th anniversary times is 2 per guest. So bear in mind, if you plan to be at Magic Kingdom, Epcot, Disney's Animal Kingdom, or Disney's Hollywood Studios in the near future. It is not yet known if sold out items online and in Disney World's theme parks will be restocked, but it seems likely that they will be since the 50th anniversary celebration officially begins on October 1st and extends into 2023. You guys, I'm not gonna lie, I goofed up. I got the email while I was asleep, looked at it, and went back to sleep. When I woke up and tried to get a spare jersey, my size was sold out. So I'm hoping they send another round of emails soon because I want it for the 50th. D23 Gold members are invited to an exclusive celebrating Remy's Ratatouille adventure almost a month before its official opening day on September 4th and 5th. Find your inspiration and say bonjour to Epcot's new expansion of D23, the official Disney fan club. The morning will begin as guests are welcomed with a commemorative credential and board a motor coach from the Epcot parking lot before you are whisked away to the beauty and charm of the French Pavilion. Upon arrival, you'll be welcomed with a morning refreshment before gathering in the gorgeous Palais du Cinema, home of Impressions de France, for a special presentation featuring some of the creative minds behind the Epcot's newest edition. From sketch to reality, you hear how Walt Disney Imagineering brought this Remy-sized adventure to life in a big way. Next, D23 Gold members will be welcomed to the newly expanded portion of the French Pavilion, where they'll be able to taste a few of the new offerings at La Crêperie de Paris and be among the first to experience Remy's Ratatouille adventure. The event begins promptly at 7 a.m. from the Wonder parking lot at Epcot and will last until 10 a.m. Check-in will begin at 6:30 a.m. Event ticket does not include admission or a reservation for Epcot during the normal operating day. Guests will be guided outside the park upon event conclusion. There are a limited number of tickets available. D23 members will be required to provide their membership number when reserving park tickets. D23 members who do not bring their membership card and tickets may not be admitted to the event. Cost for the event is $75 plus a $7 processing fee. Again, another thing that makes me sad because I really want to go. I'd even pay virtually to go. It's not like I won't be going at all, but still. Vice President of the Magic Kingdom, Melissa Valaquette, spoke to the Orlando Sentinel recently and addressed the featured reimagining of Splash Mountain into a ride based on The Princess and the Frog. She confirmed the reimagining is still in the development, noting she is still in a lot of meetings regarding the attraction. That's going to take some time, but the sequence of these things is that sometimes decisions can be made many months, even years before any of that will be seen on stage. So it's going to take us a little bit of time to reimagine Splash Mountain, she told the Sentinel. As far as progress, Valaquette confided that traffic work has been done, including some selections around music around animatronics. The reimagining is part of the ongoing inclusivity changes around the Disney parks, the most recent of which was the refurbishment of the Jungle Cruise. Splash Mountain is based on the controversial film The Song of the South. The development process reportedly began back in the summer of 2019, with the official announcement in 2020. Like the Jungle Cruise, the reimagining for Splash Mountain is planned for both Walt Disney World and Disneyland Resort. Dumbo and Timothy Key Mouse will be among the Disney Fat 50 characters depicted on gold statues in Walt Disney World for the world's most magical celebration. Star of Full House and Disney Plus Big Shot, John Stamos, announced a new statue via the Disney Parks blog Instagram story. Let's check it out.
Hi everyone, I'm John Stamos, and I'm pleased to announce that Dumbo, Disney's original Big Shot, will soon be sculpted at Magic Kingdom Park for the world's most magical celebration. Happy 50th, Walt Disney World.
Main Street USA at Magic Kingdom is known for its windows featuring the names of various Disney employees from the company's nearly 100 years of operation. A new window now features 4 former Walt Disney World executives, Phil Holmes, Trevor Larson, Jim McPhee, and Dewan Rivers. Jeff Vail, president of Walt Disney World Resort, shared photos of the men in their window on Instagram yesterday morning. They are former executive presidents of facilities and operations services, former Walt Disney Operations executive, former president of Disney Hollywood Studios, and former vice president of Disney's Animal Kingdom. Their window advertises the Academy of Talent, Education, and Training, with their 4 names listed as the full Academy's faculty. In the Instagram post, Walt Disney World confirmed a character statue featuring Sebastian and Flounder will be found at Disney's Hollywood Studios as part of the Disney Fat 50 character collection. The Disney Fat 50 is part of the celebrations for the 50th anniversary of Walt Disney World on October 1st. The celebration will last for 18 months. Let's check it out again.
Hi, I'm Terry Schultz from the Disney Vacation Club. I'm here in the courtyard of Disney's Beach Club Villas. For almost 20 years, this specially created sculpture of Ariel has welcomed our members home to this beloved Disney Vacation Club resort. Soon, 2 of Ariel's friends will get similar treatment as Sebastian and Flounder join the Disney Fab 50 character collection at the Walt Disney World Resort in celebration of the 50th anniversary. Look for their new sculptures at Disney's Hollywood Studios beginning October 1st throughout the world's most magical celebration, reminding us that life, like a great vacation, is better when it's shared with the ones we love. From Sebastian, Flounder, and all of their friends under the sea, happy 50th, Walt Disney World!
The Magic Key is set to replace the retired annual pass holder program at Disneyland. To celebrate, guests who purchased their Magic Keys before October 30th will receive a charter member welcome package including a commemorative pin. Magic Keys go on sale on August 25th. The different tiers of the keys are dream, believe, enchant, and imagine. Thank you guys for all your love and support. The channel is slowly growing, so let's keep it up. I enjoy giving you news about all things Disney. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos. For more content, subscribe to my Instagram, which is Disney with Washington, where we've hit 3,300 followers. Also, check out my Spotify playlist for some great Disney Tunes, which is also Disney with Washington. Today's shout out goes to Abby Wood Adventures. Join her on her Disney theme park adventures as well as looks of resorts in the Orlando area. Her link to her channels are down in the description. Thank you to everyone who follows my content through Instagram, YouTube, and Spotify. Right now, we are halfway to 80 YouTube subscribers. Let's walk down Main Street, USA to get to that 80. Again, thanks for the support, and remember guys, there's a great big beautiful tomorrow. Knock knock, who's there? Bloopers. Bloopers who? It's time for the bloopers. Palelu, there's cinema. I'm not French. The Disney Fab 50, the Disney, the channel. Knock knock, who's there? Bloopers. Bloopers who? It's time.